Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today we're gonna try and do a vlog. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. And well, I thought I would try. Oh, what was that, a rooster? Thought I would try and do a vlog for once. See what this is all about. It's really weird. Anyways, yeah. So I just got a storage unit so I could pack some stuff in there because my room is cluttered as heck. And well, oh, don't want to get ran over. And now I'm heading back to my room. I'm gonna go and try and get some stuff done for the convention. And I gotta work on my new project that I started, which is the Buffy the Vampire Slayer scythe. I did do that for my sister Iris, but I do owe Rajel, my friend Rajel, I owe her since Christmas. So yeah, guess I'm a bad friend because I still didn't finish it, but mostly because since I'm spray painting, I need the weather to be hot. It's hot now, and I hate it, but it's my friend right now. And yeah, I'm making this really awkward, so. Well, I made it home now. I still got stuff to do in there for convention prep and whatnot. I do have to go to Office Depot. I might end up just doing that tomorrow, because luckily I got tomorrow off from work as well. But right now, I'm taking a break from cleaning my room, because I have to clean it first before I do anything. Yeah. Ugh. But anyways, right now I'm just working on prepping this room, this guest house, little guest room, whatever, in the back of the house, because the cats, the stray ones outside, one of them had kittens, and the last time they had the kittens, not too long ago, they all died. So I'm gonna do better at helping them out. But anyways, I'm gonna go get them and show you what they look like in a bit. Here's one of the cats. Little cat. Oh, what is that, a leaf? And I had to go down there to get the rest of them. Where the hell are they at? Damn it, they're right there. But how the hell am I gonna get in there? And look, you can tell right there. I don't want no spiders on me. Ugh. You're lucky I love animals. I'm going in. So I'm not having any success getting under there to get them. I'm too big. Then again, I'm just a coward because of spiders. And I look over here, and there's the little black kitten that I want. I'm gonna kidnap you. It's so cute. I better not approach it too fast, because when I did earlier, it ran into the street. And I was like, oh hell no, oh, it's coming. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's coming closer. Look how cute. You can't even see its little nose and mouth. Oh, nice. It's so cute. Ooh, I'm gonna try and give it a treat. Alright, got the treats right here. Look, come get it. You know you want it. Get it. Oh, come on. Its position is hurting me. Get the treats. Get the treats. Look. Yes. Get the food. Oh, it's stretching. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, anyways, let's go back to trying to get these cats, because this one is just being too adorable. God, they're all in there, man. Oh, even body flips. Oh. So yeah, I'm not having any luck catching, well, getting down under that plant over there in the corner of the fence to get the kittens out. So I just put the box that has the one kitten in it next to those ones. Hopefully the mom will put the rest of them in there because she put that one in there. So, well, she got favoritism. But anyways, I don't know where she went. I did put her in the little setup that I'm working on for them, but I just went back and she's gone. So she left the room, and yeah, I can't find her. So hopefully she'll put them back in the box. And in the meantime, I'm going to try and catch that little black kitten that I was filming. That's the one I want. It's been in this yard. Don't know where it came from. It's been probably like, what, like 2 weeks since I seen it. First seen it in the yard. And ow, freaking foxtails. But yeah, my grandpa has this little cat carrier over here, but it is covered in cobwebs, or spider webs, I mean. So there are tons of spiders in this yard. Ugh. I'm debating if I want to clean it right now because I'm paranoid it's going to keep running in the street and it's going to get ran over, because not too long ago my grandpa ran over one of the kittens that was in the yard, and now those kittens are just gone after that one died. So I don't know, maybe the neighbors took it, but I don't want to lose this one. I want it. If you guys followed me on Instagram, like not recently but in the past, I had my mom's cat Anya. It's a big fat cat. You can go scroll through that, or I'll probably just post a picture somewhere on this video. But yeah, she took him back, and now I'm depressed not having the cat, so I need a new one to start over. I miss being a cat dad, miss having a pet. And yeah, I was gonna get a fish tank, which I do want one, but I'll wait till I have my own place for that. But in the meantime, I want a cat. Cats are number one to me. And yeah, ooh, I'm starting to lag now. What time is it? It's like almost 6. I'm probably not gonna get to the spray painting stuff today because I still need to go to Target or somewhere to buy one of those fold tables. Because when I was trying to film the Buffy the Vampire Slayer, like filming, coloring, God, I can't talk. Spray painting the scythe out here in the back, I was on my knees on the ground, and the tarp that I was on, oh my God, it was burning the hell out of my legs. Ooh, my gloves made a squeak. So, and on top of that, I don't want to spray paint being on the ground. I'd rather be standing up or sitting down at a certain level higher up. So yeah, I need to get one of those tables. Plus I need to practice setting up the booth, my display for the artist alley. And yeah, I'm gonna need the table anyway, so I'll see if I can maybe at least hose down the cat carrier that my grandpa has over here. I'm just scared to touch it because of spiders. I'm a big coward when it comes to that. And then I'm probably just gonna work on making some prints in my room. And yeah, let's see what I do. So I hosed it off, but I'm gonna have to like scrub it. It's actually not bad. I thought it was gonna be like ancient, because not to be me, my grandpa be saving some random things and having really old ancient things. But anyways, so far so good. And I didn't see not one spider, surprisingly. Never mind. There's that little one right there. And yeah, well, I'm in my room now, and I got a lot to clean up. And yeah, as you can see, my room is really messy. It's really messy. Oh my God. That trash though. This is what happens when you work all day, I guess, and you're lazy. This is why you don't let things pile up. Well, I think I cleaned up pretty good. I still have a lot to do, but pretty good. I moved my bed vertical instead of horizontal since everything kept falling on the side. And yes, I have an air bed. Don't judge me. What the hell is that? Psst. What is this? Why are you making that noise? Oh, because of that cat. That one's always punking everybody. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, I have a lot. But since I got that storage unit, what was I saying? Oh, but since I got that storage unit, I can clean up like the inside the closet and whatever else I don't really use that often. So yeah, I'm so tired. I still have to do prints or at least start planning convention stuff. Oh, look at that, Chris, my friend Chris. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take a break and eat dinner, which is mac and cheese, and my grandpa makes it really good. Like, oh my god. And well, I'm gonna end the video here. And I may do the vlog, another one tomorrow, because I have to go to Office Depot anyway, and possibly Target, not the one that I work at. I don't want to be called in, but yeah, because I need the table, I need the paper, and I don't know, probably other things. Ooh, my lips are really chapped. But anyways, I hope you like my little vlog that I tried out. Hopefully it's not too cringy. But yeah, if you like the video and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for whenever I post a video to my channel. And yeah, I'm done talking now. Stay awesome, guys.